I'ma tell you right now, this game has changed. Ever since swag surfing, that's been everybody's slang. For certain, this rap shit breeds no talent, like everybody on E. But without me, the MC, you are incomplete. Get it? I leave them twisted, like the piff is, or a different mixture lit in the spliff is. I'm vicious, not talking about chicks when I say I get them digits, sipping expensive mixtures. Anybody dissing is just a potential victim. My intellectual self wants me to achieve self-wealth. That's from his position. This half sees himself going stealth to get revenge, cause this trend will never end. All the cheddar will spend. 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 All the cheddar will